Somewhere between the edge of being alive and feeling dead. Man, I hate this old love song, but I'm the fool who turns it on like I can't change the past.
What a day.
Oh,
Feel like two old people sitting here on our rockers.
I'm just sitting there dreaming of the day this building's done.
How about it?
Sit on the front porch, look out over the hillside. Can you envision the building yet? Now this far.
Isn't what I thought it was going to be. I don't know.
That could be a good thing or a bad thing.
I don't know. I was thinking it was going to be like the greenhouse.
What? Like with plastic on it?
No, the type of building. I didn't know it was going to look like a house.
For 2 years, I talked about this building up here, and every time it's like a blank stare.
No clue until you start.
No clue. Yet, you can be riding down the road 55 miles an hour and see a cow or a donkey out in the damn field. Whoops, stop. I got to take a picture of that. I got something I want to do that damn picture. But you can't envision this building.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
It is. That's because I'm amazing.
You are amazing. I don't get it. So old Beethoven, yesterday, the week since we get the stitches out, right?
A week, yeah.
That
his ear's still hanging, all crimpy.
That week went a lot faster than the week with the collar on.
Sit here, baby. Sit here.
You had to sleep with him that week. That's crazy.
His hair's growing back. Yeah.
You
are putting something on here so he doesn't jump off, right?
Well, he's putting. I have logs I was thinking of putting a railing around there, but I don't know that keep him from jumping off. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. We wing it like everything else we do.
Yeah, but you don't want to wing that he sees something and doesn't understand how high up he is, and he jumps off, and there he goes.
He'll only do that once.
That's exactly right.
Hopefully he's smarter than that.
No, he's not smart enough.
Let me don't give you credit for nothing.
So the goats.
What's the goats?
So he got the Kong balls off.
Of his horns.
Of his horns. So I put them back on, and I put duct tape around them. I thought this is good because it's really sticky.
You and your duct tape.
Well, that's what everyone uses. Well, I turned around, went out to do something, turned around, he had them off.
He had them off.
Had them off. Whether he's shaking his head or he's just rubbing and making them come off, I don't know. So then I had an idea that I would put the duct tape around about that far up on the bottom, and then put another one around the bottom, and then I would slide them on the horns and squeeze it, and then I did a zip tie around the duct tape. So when I go out to put them in tonight, we'll see if that actually works.
You and your damn animals. Well, that reminds me. I've been going to tell you this, and I keep forgetting. You go up to Tractor Supply next time for chicken feed, or goat feed, or duck feed, or rabbit feed, or whatever the hell we're feeding next. When you're checking out, as you pass the checkout and you're ready to go out the door, there's those patio heaters there. Did you see them yet?
No.
That I'm talking about? There's two of them sitting there. The one has a column or as a flue that goes up, I don't know, 4 or 5 feet. That's kind I've seen before, and they're run off of wood pellets. But they have another one that's kind of just looks more like a wood stove that's for a porch heater, patio heater. Look at them and see what you think of them.
In there.
No, for right here.
Oh, that's right.
For right here, and then down on the
Yeah.
deck. You know, because we sit out around the fire
So much.
You know? When we retire, I'm going to sit around when we retire, whatever that is. 67 years old now. I don't know. I guess retirement is just a thought. Oh, I got about another 2 or 3 days of dragging logs in, and then I get back to this damn building. I want to put the.
When are you going to finish the cellar, the root cellar? Right?
Here she is again.
Root cellar is not done.
You mean the walk-in cooler?
Well, yeah, same thing. Just it's not outside.
It don't matter what project I'm on, you're on another one. Huh? I need to get the windows on this, the doors on it, and the rest of the siding on it, and button it up before it gets too cold. Then I need to cut that wood up there for firewood. We're not going to have no heat this winter. Then maybe I'll go to the root cellar.
And you didn't build me a thing for put your shoes in. I asked you for little things. I didn't ask you for this. I asked for little things for you to do, and they don't get done.
Well, I think you bitched about not having anywhere to do your projects.
That's true, but I didn't
Want to talk?
Request a log cabin.
Well, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it right. You know me. I can't have a sawmill and do something half-ass or whatever. I think we got enough to do. I see you had some soap sitting on the kitchen table. You made some more soap today, huh?
I made 3 batches of lavender soap. Yeah.
I seen you posted it on Facebook, have people wanting to buy it already, but you said, what, 3 weeks? It's got to set. What's it got to set for 3 weeks for?
It has to harden and the lye has to go out of it.
Just
there's probably a technical name for it, but so the lye isn't in it.
It just evaporates, like, evidently.
I don't know. Well, yeah, I guess so. But all 3 have different oils in it. The last batch I made, I thought I would try and make it old-fashioned with lard. That's how they used to make soap. Lard and lye. Yeah. I don't know if it's a softer soap. I'm going to have to wait and see after it cures. And then I guess there's a test you could do to make sure that the lye is all out, and it's called the zap test. You take the soap and put your tongue on it, and if it zaps it, it's still in there. So you want to do that
no,
for
you
me?
do that test. I'm not doing that test. You know I can't taste, right?
You can feel.
Oh, yeah.
You're not going to taste anything.
It zaps you like electric shock.
Like a little...
Yeah.
Well, then you know the lie's out. You don't want to sell soap to someone that still has lye in it.
No.
Yeah. No, but that, when I get it in this package, and it will like a little soap bag. It'll be cute little gifts. Yeah, I think I have 8. I sold 13 bars today.
You just posted it this morning.
I just posted it. Yeah.
Well, find things to do on the homestead to bring in a little couple dollars here and there. You need gator tires.
I need gator tires.
They're setting up there.
That's my GoFundMe.
They're setting up there flat right now.
I need that gator to run so bad. Have a cleanup over at the goats that need done.
Well, you can't get the tractor over there
No.
very easily.
No.
The hell of it living on a hill. So many places you can't go. You build this building, wouldn't even be building this building if it wasn't for the fact we had a swimming pool here about 30
And
years
someone
ago.
came and leveled it for us.
Yeah.
Yeah. You
Mhm.
see, I still need about a half a bale of straw.
I
for
seen that for the strawberries.
Right to the end. I have one sitting over there by the Jeep, but I really didn't want to open it. I guess I'll have to.
Mhm.
The parsley is still going strong.
I seen there was no straw there and thought it was strawberries until I looked closer, seeing it was something else.
Yeah, I just grow parsley for the rabbits. They love it. Well, he loves it now.
Yeah.
I was worried about him the other day.
Oh yeah.
He just seemed, I couldn't find him.
Well, I couldn't find him this morning. He's buried in under
buried
the straw.
in the straw.
And I
Yeah.
thought,
Well, that's hay, but he's buried in it. He likes to make tunnels.
I looked back where
I know.
she died and
I know.
thought, oh geez, he go back there and
I think he had a bad day of depression. I don't know what you're supposed to do. I'm not getting another rabbit.
no.
That mistake with the duck.
With the duck.
I'm still paying for it. Get a female duck and it hasn't even laid an egg into she's 2 or 3 years old.
Yeah. Oh well.
Oh well. No, but that's not the solution to get him another rabbit.
No.
Who knows if they'd even get along?
No.
He's like what, 6, 5?
Well, how many? Of course, they were together for how many years? But I mean, we had a lot of rabbits. One rabbit.
Just one rabbit.
I mean, they can survive alone, but then they started
They
out
bonded,
alone. Yeah, they
yeah.
started out alone.
Yeah.
Well, I guess we'll see what next week brings. Got some more wood to haul in. Lord knows what you'll get into that you won't video.
You need to set me up a kitchen.
No, that's too big a project.
That is, yeah.
Set you up a kitchen where? Need another building.
No.
In here. Oh my God.
No, I just need one of those burners that sit in front of you.
Mm,
But I need gator tires before I invest in that.
yeah. Well, I can't set you up a kitchen. I'd be getting in your lane. I don't want to get in your lane.
That's for sure.
You got to set your own kitchen up. Mm. Well, Beethoven, you enjoyed that little rock, didn't you?
His ear feels weird inside. It feels like where they cut it feels like a stitch, but it might be a scab. I'm afraid to lift his flap up because I think it's still sore. Well, it shouldn't be sore, but I'm sure it feels different. Oh well. I'm bad.
Well, I'm done with my coffee.
One more swig. Hop down, bud.
Ooh, about threw it on.